Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Seaton with Sargent Plans. Today we are planning in my Happy Planner Classic Vertical for the week of January 28th through December 3rd. I am so ready to be moving into a new year and a new planner. And I think this spread, it's calling for florals. I feel like we've done enough seasonal spreads. It's the new year and I want something with florals. Now this planner does have a lot of embellishments. So we're probably going to be covering this up most weeks, but I'm still really excited. Ever since I got the floral package that came with the planner, the sticker book holder, I've been dying to use these florals. Also this year, Happy Planner came out with Happy Blooms, and I think we're gonna do a whole purple jewel toned theme this week. Now in the Happy Blooms book, I was able to find these. Look at them, they're beautiful. So let's get started. Now we don't have a ton going on this week as far as appointments and things like that. All right, so let's just start by covering this up. I'm not quite ready for that one. All right, let me cut this. All right, so in the goals book, let's see what we have in here for purple. I love this. It says, New Year, Better Me. I think I'm going to take this floral here. Something like that. I'm going to lift this up. Okay. So this is the jewel tone boxes, and the purples in here are amazing. So let's actually, I'm thinking maybe this might be more in the pink hue. Okay, I like that. I really like this sticker. It says goals and dreams, which a new year just begs for new goals and dreams. So I think I'm going to put that right here. All right, so let's cut this flower. That looks cute. I'm debating if I want to put a couple of like a couple florals up at the top there, but that might actually be too much, I think. I could bring it this way, like it's going up. That could be cute. No. No, it's too much. Bring it back. Okay, that's probably enough florals over there. I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. All right, let me put the rest of my boxes in. This is cute. It says stay positive. So I'm actually going to put that. No. All right, so I think this is good. I think we're good there. I think we need a couple more florals here. Let me pull that sticker back. I wonder if I can cut these out. It'd be ideal if these were clear. This is when having fake nails is a bummer. Can't do anything. All right, that's good. So I'm just gonna throw some more florals along the edge here. All right. I really, really love it. I don't want to add too much more. I think it'll be too busy. I think the pink actually plays really nicely with this spread. I think we're done. I love it. This might be one of my most favorite spreads ever. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing and look me up on Instagram. It's @SergeantPlans. Thanks.